Welcome back to our continuing series of how to use Tradewinds for the management of your fundraising events. In this video, we will look at one of the most important elements of staying organized when conducting your event. And that important element is assigning your guests to a table, so when they arrive they will know where to sit. In Tradewinds we can create tables and assign guests to that table. Tradewinds can also find available seating for those guests or last-minute walk-in guests. In this video, we will learn how to create tables, assign a table sponsor if a table happens to be sponsored, and how to edit a table. We will also learn how to assign guests to tables, and rearrange guests to a different table if necessary. We will also learn how to clear all guests assigned to a specific table and how to clear all the assigned guests from all the event tables. For the purposes of this video, let's assume we have created a guest list for our event, and we are ready to assign our guests a table. After signing into Tradewinds, go to the Event Details screen. Click on the Setup tab. Next, click on the sub-tab labeled Tables. This is where we can create individual tables and assign sponsorships. In the lower right corner, you will see a blue plus icon. Click the blue plus icon. Tradewinds will ask if you would like to create a new table. Click the OK button. Tradewinds will create a table with a table name of 1. Note, there is no original seat value. To assign a value to that field, click on the icon to the right of the sponsor field. A window will pop up. In the quantity of seats field, you can enter how many seats this table will have. For our event, we will start with 6 seats. We will keep the table name and not put a sponsor in right now. In the field labeled Assign, the guest names that have been assigned to this table will be displayed as well as a total number of guests assigned to the table. Click the Close button to set the record. We now have a table with 6 original seats. As we have mentioned before, Tradewinds was designed to make putting your event together a breeze, and adding tables is part of that logic. Since we have created an original table with 6 seats, any additional tables we add will automatically have 6 seats assigned to it. If we would have started with 8 seats, all the additional tables would be built with 8 seats. Let's now add 2 more seats, and we will not change the original seat count, nor will we add a sponsor to the tables at this time. To assign a guest to a table, click on the People tab. You will see all the guests we have assigned to this event. Let's assign the first guest to a table. Click on Sally's name, and a detail window will appear. As you can see, the guest table field is empty. Click on the table icon to the right of the field. A new window will appear displaying all the guest names, and in the list to the right, all the tables we have created. First, select the table Sally will be sitting at. Let's put her at table 1. Check the checkbox for Sally. Click the green Assign button. It doesn't make a difference which one. Tradewinds will assign Sally to table 1. Click the Close button to close the table assignment window. Now that Sally has been assigned to table 1, click the Close button. Since we are assigning guests to tables, let's assign Joe Anywho to table 1 as well. Follow the same procedure. Assigning a couple is the same process as adding a single guest. We will follow the same procedure to assign a couple to a table. For this segment, we will assign the Mertzes to table 2. As we add the Mertz couple to table 2, we can mention the fact that multiple guests and multiple couples can be added to a table just as a single guest or a couple is added. Just check all the guests you would like to add to the table. Note, when a single person is assigned to a table, the available number of seats will be decreased by 1. When a couple is assigned to a table, the available number of seats decreases by 2. Here is some fun and useful information that can be obtained while your event is going on. Not only can Tradewinds assign guests to tables, but it can also give you information about the bidding activity at a specific table. To preview the activity at a specific table, make sure you are in the People tab. Next, select any guest assigned to a table. Click and go into their detail window. Again, let's start with Sally. Click into the guest table field. This will open a window. We see Sally and Joe are assigned to this table, and so far, nobody has won or purchased any items. Click the Close button to close the window. To return to the event detail screen, click the Close button in the guest detail window. Assigning guests to tables is always a very dynamic endeavor. So, Tradewinds makes it easy to reassign guests to a different table. Let's move Sally to table 2. Click on the Setup tab again, then click on the Tables tab. Since Sally was originally assigned to table 1, click on the Edit icon to the right of the sponsor field. A pop-up window will appear. Click on the Manage Assignments button. The Guest Assignment window will appear. Select Table 2. Now, click the Assign checkbox for Sally. A message will appear advising that the guest has already been assigned to a table and asks if you want to move the guest to a new table. Click OK. The Assign button will reappear and the Assign checkbox will be checked. Click the Assign Table button. Tradewinds will reassign Sally to table number 2. Click the Close button. The Edit Table window will again be displayed. Sally has been removed. Close the window and return to the Table tab. Couples are moved the same way. Not only can Tradewinds move an individual or couples, but it can also clear all guests assigned to a table, and if necessary, remove all the guests assigned to event tables. The last lesson we want to discuss in this video is how to remove all guests from a table, remove all guests from all tables, and edit a table itself. First, let's remove all the guests assigned to table 2. From the Tables tab, click on the Edit icon for table 2. The Edit Table window will appear. Click the Manage Assignments button. The Table Assignment window will reappear. Select Table 2. When selected, all the guests assigned to the table will be highlighted. Click on the Clear All Assigned Seats button. A confirming message will be displayed. Click the Clear button. Tradewinds will clear the guests from table 2. Click the Close button. Close the Table Edit window. All the guests have been removed from table 2. In the unlikely event that all the tables need to be cleared, Tradewinds makes that an easy process. Again, starting at the Table tab, click any of the edit icons. When the Table Edit window opens, click the Manage Assignments button. The Table Assignment window will open. Do not select any tables this time. Click the Clear All Assigned Tables button. A confirming message will be displayed confirming if all the guests will be cleared. Click the Clear button. All the tables have been cleared. Click the Close button. Close the Edit Table window. Lastly, let's learn how to edit a table. When editing a table, the name of the table can be changed. The number of original seats can be changed and a sponsor can be added. Again, from the Table tab, click a table edit icon you would like to edit. Let's edit table number 1. We are going to change the name to VIP1 and change the original seats to 4 and assign a sponsor of Acme Racing Products. Well, that's it. You now know how to create guest tables in Tradewinds and how to assign your guests to a table. We also know how to rearrange guests. And we know how to clear a table of all guest assignments and how to clear all the tables. Lastly, we know how to edit a table. Having a seating assignment for your guests will make for a better experience for your guest. Upon arrival, they will know where they are sitting and not have to worry about finding an available seat. Your guests will be able to spend more time enjoying the festivities. If you have any question on how to create tables or assign guests, we are here and ready for your phone call. Spire loves helping those who help others.